Let's learn IIB. Today, I will show you how to acquire data from emails which contain attachments and then write the attachments to a folder. I recently posted on LinkedIn regarding a job opening for IIB resources. I was thinking of an automated way of extracting the attachments from the emails that I get and then uploading them to my company's portal. I started by creating this message flow. Email input node is used to acquire data and file output node delivers data to a folder. If you cd to your broker's registry, in this location you will see the username used by SMTP application that I built many months ago and all other credentials for JDBC and other providers. Password will be in encrypted form. You can use the same username and password we're using MQSI setDB params command. But you cannot use the same security identity because it was defined for SMTP earlier and now we have to use it on POP3. Don't forget to reload your execution group for the changes to take effect. Here is a sample email with attachment. Look at the content disposition field for attachments. Payload for file is set in output root.blob.blob and file name is set in local environment. Attachment is saved to this folder shown on screen. You can save non-text files with this code as well. Here I have shown a text file. You can also save an Excel file, a picture and other kinds of files. As always, you can find source code in my GitHub repository, link in description.